Hey y'all, so me and Johnny are at the glass light getting some pictures. I definitely just wanted to hop up here because we've been getting like a whole bunch of fire pictures, but I haven't checked in with y'all at all. So I wanted to check in with y'all, just make sure y'all know that yeah, I'm thinking about y'all and I love y'all so much.
Glass up in the sky, popping champagne. You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Like you thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Like bitch saying bad, let's keep it a beam. Know they be mad, I be on the scene. Ass too fat, can't fit in a jean. Use my stitch, but it's not what it seems. I got that ready, I'm keeping it clean. Fucking with niggas that's floating a beam. Saying you love me, but what do you mean? Pretty ass fucking me like that I'm mean. That is bitch, are you shitting me? If you ain't a body, can't sit with me. I swear that this bitch is my mini-me's. He wanna sex, niggas be dreaming. I'm from the X, niggas be scheming. I'm on their next, they's not breathing. Them in their check, you thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Like you thought I was feeling you? Whip, body, whip, got it, die on it. Did I ever ask you to take me shopping in Paris? Sailing overseas and just rate me in Gucci, no. All I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue. Go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long. Just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name, say my name? If you claim you want me, it ain't no thing. You acting kinda shady.
Nachos. We're at New Realm and Johnny got the hot fried chicken sandwich. And it looks so good. And then I just got what is this? An orange crush.
Yeah.
And then what'd you get?
The tropical dream or tropic dream.
Yeah, she got the tropic dream. So yeah, y'all. And then we just got some waters as well.
Thank you.
But yeah, y'all. So we are about to eat, and it's a little dark in here, so y'all can't really see me, but we're about to eat, and I'll check in with y'all in a minute.